Alright, hello everybody. I don't even know what this video is gonna be about because I need to look at the camera, bro. Anyways, I just went to the city with a couple of my friends because we had to get some books for school and I wanted to buy een miffy etui. Noem je het ook zo in het Engels? Ik weet niet. Etui.
Pencil case.
I wanted to buy a miffy pencil case and also noodles. So I bought these chicken flavor noodles and I'm a vegetarian, but it's like artificial chicken flavor, so it's okay. I also, here's my miffy pencil case. It's so cute. Like I now have a self-made one. It's like a Taylor Swift themed, but it's like kind of, it's not giving and I kind of don't really like it, so this one's way better. It's been raining today. Today's like a rainy summer day and I love it so much because like we went to the city and it was like raining, but it was like warm rain and just like it has been raining the whole afternoon, so I really love that vibe. Also tonight we're gonna eat some salad for dinner, so it's gonna be pretty nice. And tomorrow I only have 3 classes. And then I think I'm gonna hang out with my best friend, but I don't know for sure. I don't know if she can hang out or if she wants to hang out. Anyways, I'm now gonna put all my stuff in this pencil case. Look, this is my pencil case now. I wrote like, I love Taylor Swift. I'm not lying, but this is like, excuse me. Anyways, like, it's just not given, and I wrote a lyric here from her song New Romantics. But like this one's way cuter. I need this. I need like a red pen. Okay, wait, this lightning. Okay, let me sit here. My geodriehoek, my red pen because like summaries and stuff. My pink pen. I also want new pens, but it's like for next school year. This pen is like Selfie Girls. It's like a from my sisters, but it's like it's a really good pen, so I love using it. Also another pen. Potlood. My English is not Englishing today. Gum. That's it. Like the rest of this, of the inhoud van deze is gewoon crap. This one's also bigger than my previous one, which is good. Also, like this morning, it was like pretty sunny. And then just the second we stepped out of school to like go to the city, it started raining. But I love rain, so it's okay. I'm gonna take it to school tomorrow. It's so cute. Wait, is it like the... Whoa. I don't know, I'm just so happy today because of the weather. It's so weird because like a lot of people don't like rain, but like I love rain, okay? Rain has my heart, for real. I'm gonna do a little workout now because I wanted to do a little workout and then I'm gonna put my pajamas on and make stuff ready for dinner. Well, I don't know. Also, do you like this hat? I bought it recently and I love it. Oh yeah, I need to look in the camera. Okay, I did. Oh no. Okay, anyways, I just did 2 standing workouts and now I'm in my very unflattering pajamas, aka an old shirt of my dad and some weird pants. Whoa. I'm still gonna shower tonight and probably do another workout, but now I am going to make my noodles and then eat them.
Of course.
And when I'm done with my noodles, I'm gonna prepare dinner. These are like the easiest noodles to ever make. Just literally like water. Ooh, they smell like noodles. Powder. Well, that smells like chicken.
Kom hier op aan tafel.
Worstje ijsje erbij, meiden. Anyways, I'm back from school. This is the fit for today because I wanted to wear like something I don't really wear usually. So I was like, let me just pick out nice skirts. Guys, I am very hungry right now. So I'm going to, whoa, my hair. Make some grilled cheese toasty happening for myself. Okay, so my planning for today. First, I'm going to bag out my bag. Then I'm going to make some lunch for myself. Then I am going to study a little bit, like an hour or something. I don't want to study, but I have to because I don't want to like fail my test. Then I am gonna edit this vlog a little bit, and I think then I'm going to my best friend to hang out at her place. I want to eat, so I am going to eat. Doe jouw outfit. Slay.
Jas, shirt en broek.
Mijn. We've got some cookies, and I don't know what they look like, to be honest. Look, there are pandas on it. Het is echt luchtig en er zit chocola in. Oh, meid, je ziet hem goed. It's so cute. Alright, so I have this new shirt. She paid for me, so I'm gonna pay her back, but I really like it. I saw like Hello Kitty and it was like, let me buy it. Anyways, we have frozen fruit because she loves frozen fruit and I kind of love it too, but it's like way too cold for me. Het is gewoon ijs. We're gonna play Roblox. Horror.